right, 1M surgery. Oh, shoot. So much for that, being cool. So 1M surgery is in commission. I cheated on yesterday. I got too excited. I didn't want to get the camera out. I was just too into it. So the bumper's off. I already changed one headlight, but we're doing BayOptik's headlights. Shoot, we're gonna have to try to get this coated. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Everything's tomorrow around here, it seems. So I already did one headlight because I got hasty, and so now hopefully the second headlight's a lot easier. But man, I'm really pumped. These look even better than the M3 lights. So let's stop chatting and let's just get moving. So I've already put one coat of EXO. I didn't do CSL because I didn't have a bottle that was open, and you know, headlights aren't as critical because they're not going to get as beat up. But I'm just adding a quick second coat of EXO V4 to both headlights. But these have, I don't think these have different lenses. Let's see. Yeah, Osram or Osram D1S 7K bulbs. Yeah, these are the adaptive version. And then these have LED eyebrow. So the eyebrow has been changed from the goofy version to that. And then we have a black aluminum housing for LED bulbs. So I don't think these have different lenses on them. Like the M3 had different upgraded ZKWR projector lenses. So these, I don't think it's an option for the E82 for the 1M. So, but I'm telling you, the people give me a hard time about, oh, it looks too aftermarket. Well, I don't think they look very aftermarket at all. They just look better. They look OE but black without all the goofy stuff. So these do have amber. We'll show you how they work here in a minute, or in 20 minutes in my time. But these are very much OE-like in operation and look. They just look a lot better. And man, it's gonna look so mean with these lights on this car. So we just put a couple of quick coats of EXO on here and call it a day. So we're well into the raffle. We've got 1 month left. Today's August 1st. I think we have a legal option to extend it, don't we? I think we do. I don't know. I just want to get it out of here and move on to the next project. I don't know that I'm ever going to do another raffle. You know, I'm sitting there on Facebook and there's all these goofy companies and these goofy YouTubers, and I just don't like being lumped in with all these weirdos that are doing all this weird crap. This giveaway stuff. It just seems so shystery. So I don't know about doing a Corvette giveaway. I'm still going to get a Corvette, but I might just get it and sell it. Yeah, and just buy the most dialed in vehicles. Yeah, just sell it. I don't know. It just doesn't feel right being lumped in. So I think I might be able to remove this time. I took the whole assembly out, but can't we, I mean, if you think about this, I think we can just take these two screws off and just take the headlight part out. These two up top, the other two, leave the plastic assembly in place, and then I think we won't have to do as much adjusting. We're about to find out. So I think I can just remove these two T30s. See, this plastic assembly is what holds the light in place, and I took the whole assembly off. I think I might be able to do this a little bit more efficiently. And now that I look at it, I don't think we need to really, I didn't think we even needed to remove the fender liners like I did. So what we do is we take the whole, I guess it's the, whatever the control module is, the ballast module off the bottom, and swap it. Saves you $1,000 or so. But I have, these are all new OE headlights. So theoretically, this should be the last piece I need to remove. But once the headlights are done, we'll put the front lip on, and the car, I have one last interior thing to do, and the car's done. Ready to move on to the next person. We'll have to find that. The only problem is that we're gonna be able to get it back in. Okay, so then we take the light, and then we take this little control module off and swap it over to the new light. So this thing just pulls out. No, I'm not selling these lights. They're going with the car. So those of you with some janky BMW, sorry. Sorry for your luck. I'm not selling them. Even if I was selling them, you wouldn't want to pay for it. Yeah, people are always talking about, I knew it as soon as I put the video up of the M3 having some issue. People start freaking out about all BMW haters are looking for some justification. The only problems I've ever had with BMWs have been stuff that I caused myself. So the fan breaking is I probably snapped it or broke it when I did the what was it? The underdrive pulleys. I haven't had problems with BMWs other than self-induced. All right, so now let's see if it ought to be easier to get in, right? Theoretically. Is that in there?
Now it is.
Okay, I'm in. You're in. So kind of get that in there loosely. Let me get the other two. Can you reach up? Can you reach up in there and get that one from underneath? Oh shoot. Okay, magnet's off. Let me just screw this one in a little bit.
Thing just moved.
Yeah, remember it's supposed to graduate like that. Why is the thing still moving? Part of it is the bumper pulls it all together. So let's see what we got. Beautiful. Yeah, that was a lot easier to do it that way. I think we need to. I think this end needs to kick up a little bit more. Let me see. No. It's the same. Coating required for switchback eyebrow functionality. This is required because the corner bulbs will remain on when the headlight switches in auto mode for US model cars, causing the eyebrow to stay amber. Code off cold corner bulb checking. Code off warm corner bulb checking. Code off corner bulbs. Only turns on when signaling. So let's see what he's talking about here. We all on?
You have a flashy thing. Stop doing it.
On. On. Okay, so that's with the lights off. So we were having an issue yesterday with it turning off. So let's just see.
I did it, I didn't have the key. I just turned the lights on if I was like, if you didn't have the key.
I think they would have timed out. That's on. Did that do anything? Says their lights on. Level looks pretty good. What happens is the line gets straighter, I guess, as they kind of break in, as the bulbs break in. So that's just regular adaptive. I think we're good. I don't know that we need any coating. He was talking about something. So, oh, you know what? I think we already did that. I think Alex already did coat it for the factory lights to make this so that this is an amber. But here's the cool thing about these eyebrows is when we go turn signals, they go amber. Dang, that looks good. So good. Wow. That like transformed the car. I can't wait to get the bumper on. I don't think we need to do anything. High beams on. Let's see, cornering lights. High beams off. cornering light turn on. It's kind of odd that we don't put some sort of different color bulb there. Boom. So off, key out, I'm in adaptive, good to go. Nice. I like it when a project comes together. Back to the project. What is this? Okay, so we need to try to make sure we get these, but keep them out of the way. But the bumper's ready to go on. How are they supposed to go? Above? Yeah, I don't know how I even managed to mess that up. It should sit on top of the bumper. That should cinch down. Good. Gaps look the same. Yeah. Just don't know if this screw has enough juice to hold that sucker in there.
You're just gonna have to like.
There you go.
Go with it.
Got it. Yeah, I don't know why this one gives such a big gap. Wait, what needs to go under?
This.
I mean, that's just the way it was. I mean, everything else is perfectly flush. Actually, it's not as bad as it was before, but that's the way it's staying. That's inside, yeah. Oh, man. Okay, save all the bottom ones for the end here. This makes dealing with a Porsche so refreshing because these go together well in comparison to other like Japanese and American cars, but Porsche's like a darn dream when you take it apart. I was always afraid taking the Porsche apart, but it's way easier. But this is a very doable DIY project. Certainly helpful if you have an extra set of hands to help line it up. It's front lip time. All right, let me wash my hands, we'll lower this, get some photos and wrap this video up. All right, so let's wrap this up here. And the last couple of pieces on. We'll grab some shots for you. The only thing that doesn't look great is this, you know, when they had to disassemble, they kind of melted a little bit of the edge, the BayOptiks did, but other than that, everything else looks pretty sharp on this. Can't wait to put the front lip on and then take this thing outside and see how it looks. This looks amazing. Pretty simple project. Just a rather expensive one, depending on where you're at in life. The total cost. So what you can do is you can do like a core exchange and send your headlights back, I think. But I wanted an all new set so I could leave my OE alone, especially with this car, give the car away, and then if somebody doesn't like these headlights, they could swap them back to OE. And so I wanted a whole new set of headlights and not have to deal with taking them out, let the car sit, and then wait for them to come back. So we got $1,100 for the new headlights. What was the rest of the cost? $250 for the 7K bulbs. And don't get all bent out of shape because your daddy told you 7K isn't as bright. That's not true. They're just fine. They're amazing on my M3. They look great. The only thing I was worried about is it looked a little boy racer, but it doesn't. 7K is perfectly fine. So you got, let's see, $50 for the black housing LED bulbs, $1,000 for the rings, the $1,100 for the headlights, the adaptive headlights, and then $250 for the bulbs. So there's that $22, $22.50, $2,500 for these headlights. So not too shabby. Let's close the. Let me go wash my hands. We'll close the lid and show you what it looks like. Yeah, I really dig this. I love the fact that these turn amber. that you can't really see the amber bulb, but it does flash amber, so we retain all that OE feel. About to clean the front bumper up here to do the front lift. That'll be in a separate video, but yeah, what an upgrade, man. And this transformed the front end of this car. We'll have more footage in the future of it outside, but I'm not gonna be able to get that here today. But man, I'm so pumped. And then the quality of light, the quality output we get from this is better than stock with the better bulbs. Yeah, man, I'm pumped. I think this is a worthwhile upgrade for anyone. And it doesn't, the whole thing for me is I don't want it to be super aftermarket looking. I just want it to be that kind of subtle improvement over the chrome. To me, this is a lot like getting rid of the chrome on the front grills. I just wanted a simple look, simple design. That's why I didn't want to do any kind of DTM style or angled headlights. There's nothing angled on this front bumper. Everything is round. You know, the round L and the round grills and everything else. The bumper is rounded. So to me, it makes more sense to have round LEDs. But anyway, thanks for watching this one. Remember, 1M giveaway. We have a few weeks left. Get in on this thing if you want this. Car is really shaping up. If you want to sell it back to me, I might just buy it back from you. So if you win it, man, I'm really digging it. So anyway, thanks for watching this one. Front lip video will be the next 1M video, and then we're going to try to get some driving and outdoor footage of the car coming up here in the not too distant future, and wrapping up my my time of ownership with it. So thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more crazy.